Hi guys, welcome along again to Munich Tour Tips TV. Alan here, and I've got some very important news for you. The corona incidence rate has fallen below 35 per 100,000 for a number of days in a row now, which means that they're going to be easing the regulations in the city from the 31st of May. The bottom line is that means that tours can run again. So my tours to the Dachau concentration camp memorial site, the Third Reich walking tour in the city and the German resistance tour to the Nazis are bookable again through my website evansguide.net. So that's fantastic news, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the city. What I'll also do, guys, is I'll post a link in the comments to the Munich City portal, which gives the latest corona regulation situation and is updated on a regular basis, so that you can go and check that out and know that you've got the latest information if you're coming into the city and you want to know how things are operating right up to date. What we're going to do now though, guys, is we're going to go into the city of Munich for the latest update on the new Munich railway station rebuild, to see what's happening in the city. I think the last time that I did a vlog from over there was about 3 months ago. So let's go over into the city and see how things are progressing, and I'll look forward to seeing you in Munich. Take care now.